Welcome back. In this lesson, we are going to create this. So let's get started. First of all, open your first person character blueprint, and from here go to spawn projectile, and from here just delete this, and here create a custom event and rename it and name it loop underscore in underscore fire, and just connect this to this. Now next thing, from here just search for add event by search for set event by timer, set timer by event, and just from here connect this and also connect to this. Just remove this, and from here just create a event, and just from here select function, that is which we name it loop in fire. Now compile it, save it, and just select the looping and set the time 0.1. Compile it, save it, and now press play. As you can see, our character is firing in a loop, but as we know that if we press play and when we start firing, our character infinitely start firing. So first of all, what we are going to do, our character only start fire in loop when we press key, and when we release the key, our character stop firing. So for this, just from here search for clear and invalidate timer by handler. Now compile it, and just from here select return value and promote it to variable, and rename the variable loop underscore fire timer, and just drag this and get the loop timer, and just connect this to this. Now compile it, save it. What it will do, when we release the key, this variable will clear the timer. Now press play. When I press and hold left mouse, our character start firing in loop. As soon as I leave the key, our character stop firing. But here we are going to face a new problem, which is if I press key one time, if you listen the key, our character is not fire. The reason is that this is suitable for if we press play for assault rifle. But if we have revolver, as you can see, if I press play single time, our character is not firing. So for this, just uncheck this, and from here search for loop in fire, and connect this, compile it, save, and press play. Now if I press one time, our character start firing, and if I press and hold, our character start in fire and loop. If I release, it stop firing. So that's it for this lecture. See you in next lecture.